For nearly a century, Cummins has been synonymous with rugged diesel performance, powering everything from long-haul 18-wheelers to industrial generators. Their turbocharged diesels roared across highways and work sites alike, setting the standard for torque and durability. But now, in a move that has sent shock waves through both the trucking world and the broader automotive industry, Cummins has unveiled its first-ever production gasoline engine, and it promises to rewrite the rules once again. Imagine a gasoline V8 designed with diesel engine expertise, massive low-end torque, bulletproof reliability, and unmatched adaptability. That's exactly what Cummins claims to have built, and early benchmarks suggest they have delivered on the hype. Stay tuned as we dive into the Cummins 7.0-liter gas V8, explore its groundbreaking technology, and ask the critical question: is this gasoline engine the disruptor diesel purists never saw coming? Cummins' heritage and bold new direction. Cummins' reputation was forged in diesel, engines known for their long-haul endurance, multi-100,000-mile service lives, and cavernous torque. But with tightening emissions regulations and widening market demands, the company needed a gasoline platform to compete in light and medium-duty segments. Enter the 7.0-liter V8, a ground-up design that leverages Cummins' expertise in robust block architecture, high-pressure fuel delivery, and thermal management. This pivot shows that even a diesel specialist can, and perhaps must, adapt to an evolving landscape, where gasoline remains king in many markets. Unpacking the specs, a powerhouse in gas form. On paper, the Cummins Gas V8 delivers 450 horsepower and 550 of torque, figures that rival and, in some cases, exceed current gasoline truck engines from Detroit's Big Three. Its iron-reinforced cast-iron block mirrors diesel robustness, while aluminum heads save weight and improve heat dissipation. The engine features a 10.5:1 compression ratio, direct injection at 4,500 psi, and a twin-scroll turbocharger optimized for low RPM boost. In practical terms, that means diesel light grunt from just 1,200 RPM and strong pull all the way to a 6,500 RPM redline, a combination rarely seen in a gasoline V8. Cutting-edge technologies under the hood. Cummins didn't settle for merely porting diesel tricks to gasoline. They integrated advanced features like variable valve timing, a cam-and-cam architecture for rapid switching between efficiency and power modes, and swirl-optimized combustion chambers to promote lean burn operation. These technologies work in concert with a full active thermal management system, including an electrically driven water pump and dual-stage intercooler, to keep operating temperatures within an optimal window, regardless of load. It's an engineering showcase that blends performance with precision. Why a gasoline engine from a diesel powerhouse? At first glance, a gasoline V8 from Cummins seems counterintuitive, but it's strategic. Gas engines dominate pickup trucks, SUVs, and many industrial applications where diesel emissions controls add cost and complexity. By offering their own gasoline option, Cummins can serve fleets wanting Toyota-like V8 smoothness paired with Cummins' rugged reputation. Moreover, gasoline platforms allow for lighter aftertreatment, simpler cold start operation, and broader fuel compatibility. In regions without widespread diesel infrastructure, a gasoline V8 from Cummins means global reach, without sacrificing the durability their brand promises. Head-to-head performance benchmarks. In independent dyno tests, the Cummins Gas V8 out-torqued Ford's 7.3-liter Godzilla and General Motors L8T 6.6-liter V8, especially at low RPM. It matched GM's peak horsepower and surpassed the Ford in mid-range acceleration, delivering a 0 to 60 time in under 6 seconds when fitted to a half-ton pickup. More impressively, during a simulated towing test, the Cummins V8 maintained stable intake temperatures and consistent boost pressure over a 75-mile uphill run, whereas the comparators showed 5 to 7% power drop due to heat soak. It's a testament to Cummins' thermal expertise, fuel efficiency, and economy breakthroughs. Despite its power, the 7.0-liter V8 pushes 25 mpg on the highway when mated to an 8-speed automatic, a figure traditionally reserved for turbo diesels. That's thanks to lean burn capability, cylinder deactivation tech, and regenerative coasting strategies that shut off fuel delivery under low load. Cummins engineers also optimized friction reduction with diamond-like carbon coatings on cam lobes and piston skirts, plus a high-pressure oil pump with variable flow. The result? Up to 10% lower fuel consumption than pure gasoline V8s in mixed driving cycles. Emissions and environmental impact. Meeting the strictest Tier 3 and Euro 6 standards, the Cummins Gas V8 uses a three-way catalyst with close-coupled positioning for rapid light-off and an advanced NOx sensor array to prevent misfires and excess hydrocarbons. Compared to a similar-sized diesel, the gasoline V8 emits 40% less NOx and avoids the particulate filters that plague diesel operators. In urban settings and non-attainment areas, this cleaner profile could prove decisive for fleet managers balancing performance with regulatory compliance. Seamless integration in trucks and equipment. Cummins designed the gasoline V8 for modular installation. Same bell housing bolt pattern as the 6.7-liter diesel, identical accessory mounts, and compatible exhaust manifolds with minimal modification. OEMs can swap in the gas engine without major chassis changes. Early adopters in vocational trucks have reported minimal downtime during the engine swap process and leverage existing Cummins diagnostics tools for maintenance. It's a plug-and-play strategy that makes transitioning fleets far smoother than adopting entirely new platforms. Market reaction, competitors scrambling. Detroit's truck divisions took notice immediately. Ford announced a refresh of its 6.2-liter V8 with modest turbocharging, while GM teased a new 7.0-liter concept of their own. Even Chrysler hinted at reintroducing a big block Hemi variant with updated direct injection to counter Cummins' entry. These reactions underscore the threat. Cummins isn't just another vendor, they're staking claim to gasoline V8 territory. Will legacy automakers defend their turf or partner with Cummins to co-develop next-gen power plants? Upsetting the diesel-only paradigm. Fleets that once autopiloted toward diesel are now reevaluating. Gasoline engines, long dismissed for poor efficiency and reliability, now offer a viable alternative, especially with Cummins' backing and reputation for durability. In regional deliveries, where diesels suffer downtime due to cold weather filters and complex regeneration cycles, the gasoline V8's simplicity and fast warm-up prove compelling. The line between diesel and gas operators is blurring. Aftermarket tuning and customization potential. Enthusiast shops are already developing performance kits, upgraded turbochargers, recalibrated engine maps, and free-flowing exhausts that can push the Cummins Gas V8 to 600-plus horsepower without compromising reliability. The engine's robust bottom end, borrowed from diesel heritage, means boosted pressures and higher boost levels are well within safety margins. It's not just for fleets. Hot rodders are eyeing this V8 as a new platform for street and strip dominance, manufacturing and global supply chain. Cummins leveraged its worldwide manufacturing footprint, plants in the US, India, and the UK, to ramp up the gasoline V8 with lower capital investment than starting from scratch. Shared casting lines and common machining centers kept unit costs competitive. Global parts synergies also mean rapid rollout to emerging markets where diesel parts are scarce. In Africa and Southeast Asia, the gasoline engine could leapfrog diesel in utility vehicles and generators. Real-world feedback, early customer testimonials. The torque curve feels just like one of your diesels, says a fleet manager who installed a 7.0-liter V8 in his service trucks. It starts on the coldest mornings without glow plugs, and fuel economy surprised us all. Another operator in landscaping swapped 7 diesel pickups in favor of Cummins gas models, citing lower maintenance bills and zero filter regeneration events. These early wins suggest a serious market shift is underway. The future, hybrid synergy and electrification. Cummins isn't stopping at pure gas. Plans for a hybrid version pairing the V8 with a 48-volt motor generator unit are already in prototype testing. This setup promises 200 HP of electric boost and regenerative braking on a par with high-voltage hybrids. Further down the road, Cummins envisions a plug-in hybrid or even a fuel cell range extender based on the same engine architecture. the gasoline V8 becomes a versatile core, adaptable from conventional to fully electrified drivetrains. A new chapter in powertrain history. Cummins' gasoline engine isn't just a new product, it's a statement that specialization can evolve, and that diesel expertise can revolutionize gasoline technology. With best-in-class torque, fuel efficiency, and emissions performance, this V8 is poised to redraw the map of who we think of as gasoline engine leaders. Now it's over to you. Does the Cummins Gas V8 make you rethink diesel loyalty? Will you consider a gasoline-powered workhorse next? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more insider analysis on the engines shaping our transportation future.